Hello again guys, welcome back again to another video, and today I'll be sharing with you guys one drum rudiment that most of us we don't use, or we have not known, or we have not heard of. I'm going to share with you, and you know what that name is? Guess what? Triple stroke roll. Most of you have heard of it before. You're saying, what's triple stroke roll? I'm going to break it down what it's all about. Very simple and straightforward, just nothing. It's just you're playing the right hand here, as you can see here. It's just right, left, left. It can be counted as 16 note triplet or 8 note triplet. Let me show you what 8 note triplet is about. If you've not heard of it before, 8 note triplet is about 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. But if you want to count it as 16 note triplet, it's gonna be 1 under 1 under 2 under 2 under 3 under 3 under 4 under 4 under. As simple as that. So I'm gonna explain that to you now, what it's all about. So it's very simple. So this is this sound: right, left, left. That's what you were playing. So that's it. Very simple. You can watch, I'm not doing my hand like I am relaxed. You have to be relaxed. That's the number one thing you have to do. So be relaxed. That's just the triple stroke rule, as simple as that. There's nothing difficult that. So I want you people all over the world to watch this video and be inspired. Hope to see you again. If you love it, drop your question in the comment section below this video. Peace.